Tired of meal planning and grocery shopping, but still want delicious home-cooked meals? HelloFresh Meal Kit Delivery promises fresh, pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes delivered right to your door. But does this popular meal kit service truly simplify your dinner time routine? The HelloFresh app makes managing your subscription incredibly easy, letting you select meals, skip weeks, and adjust delivery dates with just a few taps. You can browse hundreds of diverse recipes, customize servings, and even rate your meals. It's designed to take the stress out of cooking, saving you time and reducing food waste. For example, effortlessly choosing exciting new recipes for the week, receiving all pre-portioned ingredients, and quickly cooking a delicious restaurant-quality meal at home is incredibly convenient and fun. However, some users occasionally report issues with delivery timing or the freshness of certain ingredients upon arrival. Additionally, managing subscriptions and pausing deliveries can sometimes be less intuitive than expected within the app. What's your thought?